In less than 3 weeks the constant ringing has completely gone. I now live a normal life without the horrible ringing sounds that used to drive me crazy. Dear Thomas, I was at the end of my wits with the constant ear ringing that I experienced for years. On the advice of my doctor, I started taking antidepressant drugs that only worsened my ringing to an unbearable degree. I accidentally stumbled upon your website and I have found the step-by-step holistic approach to be extremely helpful. In less than 3 weeks the constant ringing has completely gone. I now live a normal life without the horrible ringing sounds that used to drive me crazy. I had already recommended your guide to my cousin in Australia who also suffers from tinnitus, and I have done so without reservation. Note that I have tried almost every method known to man prior to starting your program but to no avail. Other guides on the subject gave me no hope either. God bless you.